वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हम बालकों के रखवाले। भला कौन है हम? आपने बिल्कुल सही पहचाना। हम हैं एकेडमी ऑफ पीडियाट्रिक्स नागपुर के छोटे बड़े बंदे और आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं हमारी टीम 2020 के छोटे बड़े कारनामे। Friends, we started our academic bonanza with Global Association of Physicians of India with International CME on Pediatrics for the first time. Installation of Team 2020 AOP Nagpur. We all know crux of enhancement of clinical acumen of a pediatrician depends on clinical meetings, CMEs and clinical updates. We had a few in the first 2 months in person, but most of these were virtual, and what a lot of learning they had for us. CMEs are backbones of updating knowledge, and we had a national CME on pediatric endocrinology by stalwarts like Dr. Vaman Khadilkar and others, and it was a hugely attended event as expected. Similarly, we had a pediatric gastroenterology CME on 8th of March. Building bridges and breaking barriers. That was our tagline for 2020. And we tried to build a bridge with children.
भाई, मैं नहीं पीता और मैं तो कहता हूँ आप लोग भी इतना मत पियो। होली का त्योहार तो एक पावन त्योहार है। आज का दिन तो गले मिलके सारे गिले शिकवे मिटाने का दिन है। ये पीने पिलाने का वक्त नहीं है।
A novel program called Jagar, a street play contest for school children, was conducted, whereby 35 institutions presented fantastic street plays on topics like hygiene, sanitation, gender respect, बेटी बचाओ बेटे को समझाओ, पथ सुरक्षा, व्यसनों से दूर कैसे रहें, and mobile, boon or bane. A very popular event, hugely appreciated in the media. Which is the most important concern for parents and teachers for their children in school? It is difficulties in learning and poor scholastic performance. To sensitize the parents and teachers and also the doctors in the region, we had a 2-day workshop on learning disabilities. On first day for 300 teachers and on second day for 100 doctors in the region. IAP Day तो हर कोई मनाता है, but we also celebrated a number of other days and conducted many virtual programs related to these days. World Thalassemia Day, International Women's Day, World Immunization Week, International Family Day, World Biodiversity Day, World Disability Day, World No Tobacco Day. We also conducted a number of cultural programs online, Unlocking Hidden Talent 1, Unlocking Hidden Talent 2, म्यूजिकल अंताक्षरी,
मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा,
and many others. It was lot of joy and revelry as we enjoyed each other's talents. On International Women's Day, we felicitated men, that is, husbands of all the women presidents.
पिक तो थोड़ी बहुत करनी पड़ती है। जैसा हमको चाहे हमको बनाना है अपनी जिंदगी को, अपनी पार्टनर को, तो एवरीबॉडी वुड एग्री। दोनों तरफ से पिक बननी चाहिए, बोली भी चाहिए।
लेकिन यही हमेशा बोलते रहे, मैं सुनते रहा।
A wonderful initiative by Central IAP is designation of various IAP days throughout the year, which motivates every team to work towards specific health issues related to those days. And our team, with full enthusiasm and vigor, celebrated all the IAP days. Adolescent Health Academy Nagpur and Academy of Pediatrics Nagpur jointly hosted a number of programs on adolescent issues throughout the year.
ऐका हो बाबानो, ऐका हो तुम्ही बायानो, ऐका ही कहाणी, अरे ऐका ही कहाणी, रणरागिनी ही मर्दानी जीवास जीव देई, कोणी जल संजीवनी, कोणी जल संजीवनी, हा
Schools are an important segment for child health. We conducted lot of school health programs like health checkups at various schools, and health talks were given by our pediatricians, both actual and virtual. Under DIP action plan, we had two very important workshops. Awesome Aya, a workshop on adolescent and young adult, and Fever 98.7, a full day module. We also had half day CME on primary immunodeficiency, a rarely discussed topic. Dr. Sanjay Marathe, Dr. Girish Subramaniam, Dr. Shilpa Hazare, Dr. Nishikant Kotwal, Dr. Akash Bang, Dr. R.G. Patil, and Dr. Shubhada Kirwadkar conducted various DIP webinars for Maharashtra IAP as well as Central IAP.
पर स्क्रीन से जुड़कर चलते ही चलते चले, सारे के सारे आईपी के साथी नैपकॉन चले। स्टेज नहीं है, हॉल नहीं है, फिर भी तो साथ है सारे। सारे के सारे साथियों को लेकर नैपकॉन चले। स्टेज नहीं है, हॉल नहीं है, फिर भी तो साथ है सारे। सारे के सारे साथियों को लेकर नैपकॉन चले।
Press media has been very kind to us this year. Throughout the year, they gave huge coverage to almost all our programs, and our pediatricians were shining stars on FM radio channels and TV screens as they talked about the health of children. With 13 national awards, we also made a clean sweep at Maharashtra State Level Awards with all the 3 awards: Best Branch, Best ORS Week Celebration and Best Breastfeeding Week Celebration into our kitty. It created a record of sorts for Academy of Pediatrics Nagpur. We thoroughly enjoyed the entire year with lot of enrichment in our academics as well as cultural events. And the credit for this success goes entirely to the guidance of the seniors and each and every member of a great family called Academy of Pediatrics Nagpur. आने वाली टीम्स को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हम सोचते हैं मैं ये ज़रूर कहेंगे, बंदों में नादम वंदे मातरम।